Welcome to Little Kids Learners. Today we learn all about toys. Let's start. Toys are fun to play with. Some toys can be loud. Some toys can be quiet. Some toys are soft. Some toys are hard. Some toys can spin. Some toys can roll. Some toys are made of wood. Some toys are made of plastic. Some toys are made of metal. Some toys are tricky. Some toys can dig. Some toys can make music. Some toys are plain. Some toys are colorful. Some toys are for the pool. Some toys help you count. Some toys help you read. What is your favorite toy? What can your toy do? Describe your toy to a friend. Thank you for watching. Oi kiddos! Don't forget to subscribe channel and see my other videos.